Good morning again. So welcome back to another tiny treasure. I'm showing you right from the beginning where I tape up, and today is going to be kind of an autumn themed landscape. I've been enjoying this size very much, and I still do my miniatures that are mounted on the wood blocks. Just while I'm doing this artist residency, I wanted to explore an even smaller canvas size. So this is about half the size of my regular miniatures. So I think miniatures are supposed to be small anyway, and so I called them tiny treasures because, I don't know, tiny is smaller than miniature for me. So I've started with a base layer, and it's kind of a mixture between my primary colors on my Winsor Newton palette. I have a downloadable PDF on my website that has all of my tools, all of my materials, all of my suppliers, that if you're interested in getting similar things or just interested in what I use, you can go to my website and download it there. That's just an easier thing for me because I honestly get so many questions about the tools and supplies and everything like that. So it's just easier. Go there if you want to find out. So I'm using the Winsor Yellow, I think, or the Winsor, it's definitely the Winsor Yellow because the Winsor Lemon is a lot brighter, and Scarlet, and I'm pushing myself when it comes to clouds these days. I really like cloudscapes. I love being out in nature. It's something I find energizing, something refreshing, and I like to reflect that in my painting. And it's something that, if you are a long time subscriber to the channel, you know that my heart language is the abstracts. I will do abstracts all day long if you let me, but the landscapes, I'm starting to actually thoroughly enjoy doing them. And I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. Usually I don't have a photo reference because I feel like landscapes, it's not necessarily the exact view, it's the feeling. It's when you're out in nature on a hike in the middle of nowhere, and coming from Tasmania in Australia, where it has these epic hikes that go for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, you just cannot put the feelings into words, what it feels like to be in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of nature, and just feel the surroundings. So that's why I am really starting to enjoy these little miniatures, because they bring me back to those times where I was just in absolute awe of what I was seeing on these hikes. I have another one coming up early next year. I'm very excited because we're going with such a great bunch of people, and every time I go, it's just fresh inspiration. So I hope you enjoy this little mini. Please let me know what you think and tag me below with your paintings or your channel if it's something you think I would love to see. Thank you, and we'll talk to you later.